Part 1. Rani's Small World. Rani was a young girl living in a small village in India. Her world was quiet. She helped her mother cook. She played with her dog, Moti, and every evening she watched the sun go down behind the trees. Rani loved stories, but books in her village were only in Hindi. One day, she saw a book in English. She opened the book. "Hello," it said. Rani smiled. She wanted to understand more, but English was hard. The words were big. The sentences were strange. Rani asked her teacher, "Can I learn English?" Her teacher said, "Yes, Rani, but learning takes time." Part 2. The first step. Rani started learning one word every day. Day 1, apple. Day 2, cat. Day 3, smile. She wrote each word on a small card. She put the cards under her pillow. Every night, she looked at them. After a week, Rani could say 10 words. She was proud. She told her dog, "Moti, I'm learning English." Moti barked like he understood. Part 3. Mistakes and smiles. One day, Rani said to her teacher, "I go to the market." Her teacher smiled. "Rani, we say went, not good." "But you tried. That is good." Rani felt a little shy. But she didn't give up. She made mistakes, many mistakes, but each mistake was a step. Her teacher said, "Mistakes are part of learning. Keep going." Rani smiled. She started to enjoy learning. She listened to English songs. She said English words to the mirror. Part 4. A surprise. One day, a man came to Rani's school. He was from a big city. He spoke in English, fast, clear, loud. Many students did not understand him, but Rani listened carefully. She understood words like dream, future, and learn. After the talk, the man asked the students, "Who wants to speak in English?" The room was quiet. Rani stood up. She said slowly, "My name is Rani. I am learning English. I want to teach other children." The man smiled. "Very good, Rani." Her classmates clapped. Her teacher had tears in her eyes. Part 5. Big dreams. Rani kept learning. She started writing small stories. She read them to younger children. She said, "Don't be afraid. English is not magic. It is practice." Rani's dream grew. She wanted to help other girls in her village. She wanted them to learn, speak, and shine. One day, she told her mother, "I will be a teacher." Her mother smiled. "Yes, Rani, you will teach with heart." Final message. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to try. Every small step takes you closer to your big dream. Like Rani, start with a word, then a sentence, then a story. You can do it. Believe in your voice.